Now, KLBK's first warning weather with meteorologist Chris Whited.
Wind speeds are coming down just a bit here early this evening, but overnight they'll pick up again as a front comes into the area. And there's still some blowing dust in spots. If you look here on the tower cam, you can see some dust in the distance, not quite as thick as it was a little bit earlier. Now, overnight tonight, when that front comes barreling through here, we will see some more blowing dust around the south and rolling plains. But it's a warm day right now. 100 over in Jayton, Guthrie's at 101, 99 in Spur, Lubbock Airport and Tahoka both reporting 95, 93 in Plainview, 93 in Plains, 94 in Brownfield. Muleshoe, you're currently at 93 degrees. We got a west wind at 25 being reported out at the airport here in Lubbock. Southwest wind at 18 in Rawls. Wind speeds anywhere between 15 and 25 miles per hour. They may come down briefly for a time later this evening and then pick up overnight. And the air's dry out there. Lubbock's dew point's 50. It's 5 below in Morton, 20 over in Spur, but 8 in Guthrie. The air mass is just bone dry. If we had dew points in the 50s and 60s with the front coming in, maybe that could have kicked off some rain chances, but that's just not the case here. In fact, over the last 6 hours, other than the blowing dust we've seen across the area, you don't see really anything moving here on the satellite radar presentation other than the time clock there on the banner. So the front will come in overnight. That'll shift the winds to the north and the northeast, anywhere between 20 and 30 miles per hour. We'll have blowing dust overnight, maybe some blowing dust still around in the morning, but by the afternoon, the winds will start to come down just a bit, about 15 to 20 miles per hour in the area, but temperatures will be noticeably cooler. Again, we'll be 25 to 30 degrees cooler across the area, and we'll stay in the 60s more or less for highs on Friday before we warm up again on Saturday and stay a little bit milder over the weekend. I've got Lubbock's high tomorrow at 69. We could easily hit 70. The model list showing 70 in Rawls, 74 in Jayton, 69 over in the Muleshoe area. It's got the high down towards Seminole there and Brownfield at about 72 degrees. And keep in mind, we still have a red flag warning in effect until 7 o'clock. Again, of course, with the hot temperatures, the dry air, and the gusty winds, we're dealing with the critical wildfire conditions across the area. So 50 tonight for the overnight low. Again, breezy in the evening, then turning windy overnight, some blowing dust. And again, the wind southwest this evening, shifting to the north and northeast overnight. Tomorrow's high temperature 69, some blowing dust in the morning. We'll keep a north to northeast wind at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Still in the 60s on Friday, then we jump back into the mid 80s on Saturday, drop back down into the mid to upper 70s on Sunday, and we kind of stay there for Monday and Tuesday before we make another run there to near 80 degrees on Wednesday. And by the way, if you're watching the show last night, I had upper 30s for lows Monday and Tuesday morning. Terry, the model data is actually going warmer now, so I've had to bump those numbers back up into the 40s. But we're on that roller coaster ride here with those temperatures.
All right, thanks so much, Chris. Well, they